To another video, and today we're playing Vlogger Go Viral. Oh, we came in first! Yes, so good. Well, we got a brown shelf, an avatar piece, and lots of money. Perfect. Okay, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and smash the notification bell to never miss out on another video. So let's do that. Ooh. There we go. Okay, now let's go to here. Actually, no, let's save up the money. 32 mil. Let's make a video. Wait. First, we gotta check out the comments. Comment down below if I should start playing Minecraft. Like, tech, travel, gaming, tech, travel, gaming. We got a lot of tech ones, so we're making a tech video. Let's click all the way, click all the way. Make sure to like and click that subscribe button and click that notification bell to never miss out on another video. Click all of those things. Okay, so, what should we do? I'm thinking I'm gonna buy the parrot today. So, I'll be right back after I complete this video. Be right back, guys. I am back, and we got a viral video. Yeah! Whoop, whoop, whoop. Closer to mastering it. We'll check those out later. Right now, let's get our achievement. Perfect. Okay. So now let's get our box. Tap it. What do we get? We got more money. Yes. We got another avatar piece. Swish. Woo. Ooh. Okay. Okay, so now let's check what place we're in. That's this. That's it. I'm ending this now. No, you're not. I ban hammer. Will ban you. No, you're not. I, ban hammer, will ban you now. Don't worry about ban hammer. Hey, look, you were promoted. Oh yes. Let's see. We got this green guy like a virus. Hello there. I guess the lag was screaming about on and on. Anyway, check this out. There are 99.99.999 winners. Click here. Claim your prize. Not a virus. He's a virus, definitely. Don't click on that. Virus, stop cheating. We just arrived in this league. And this is how you receive us? Well, I guess you won't let me hack this one, huh? Too bad. Without my cheating and unfair schemes, you'll be stuck in this sleep as much as a big as the Ricky Roll meme. Rolf. Don't let Virus fool you. He's only trying to trick you. The hacker and skill. Beat this league without cheats, obviously, and show you're better than him. Okay, if we make 2 more videos, no, if we make 3 more videos, we can get in first. Let's do this. So guys, I'm gonna make the videos off camera. I'm just gonna quickly buy this. I'm gonna make the videos off camera so you don't have to watch me do that stuff. So I'll be right back. Guys, I'm not gonna be able to make the video today. I'm not gonna be able to make all those videos in the app. But definitely leave a like, subscribe, and smash the notification button to stay tuned for more epic videos. So I'll do it tomorrow in our next video. So stay tuned for that. Hope you like this. So goodbye.